you see the emails like the NTU task force, but you don't realize like what is going on behind that.
When people, go to the bathroom, there is evidence of, COVID-19, and we look for viruses in the water. There's 5 different manholes on campus that we sample for.
You take the scooper and scoop out the wastewater.
You grab the wastewater sample and you just put it inside the bottles.
Sometimes you might miss the bottle and it gets all over your hands and on the bottle.
And it is dirty, and you have to be willing to work with anything. And just because it might seem gross or gritty, wastewater actually is really valuable. They bring in the wastewater samples, and then in this lab I extract the RNA from the wastewater matrix. They're giving me like a half a liter of wastewater, and I bring it down to 200 microliters. From that small sample, I go and run the qPCR, the analyzing to see how much of the virus there is in the wastewater itself.
It's fun to get out there and just do actual hands-on stuff, because you can learn whatever in lecture and you can hear about the science behind it. But I think it's cool to actually go out there and kind of be an active part in that.
And it has proven to be really valuable during the pandemic because around campus we can look and see where are COVID levels spiking in what dormitories, so then we can make sure that students are getting tested and we can hopefully get through this a little easier.